This is Teacher Mark. Our lesson for today is all about racial proportion and their properties. So a ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities of the same kind and therefore has no units. The ratio or two numbers A and B may be written as A is to B or A semicolon or A as A over B where B is not equal to 0 expressed to its simplest form. Remember always po, simplest form po natin. Rate is a comparison of two measurements with different units of measure is also used as special ratio. So rate is, for example, 1 meter is equivalent to 1,000. 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. So that is a rate. Proportion, it is a statement of equality of two or more ratio. It is expressed as A over B is equal to C over D, or A is to B is equal to C is to D. It is read as A is to B and as C is to D. So a line segment AB or length of 40 meters divided into two parts in ratio 2 is to 3. How long is each part? So again, for finding of this ratio problem, you just add the two ratio and then it equivalent to 40. You just add it and then you divide it and you get 8. So after that, you need to substitute 8 by x so that you get the number of this ratio. Given the figure below the following, find the ratio of CD to BA. So this is this line segment CD and this line of segment BA. So the ratio is CD over VA. So 14 over CD. So you must do what? You must do simplify or change it into lowest term. So the final answer is 7 over 3B. Find the ratio of the measure of the smallest angle of the trapezoid to the largest angle. Same figure po tayo. So find the ratio of measure of the smallest angle of trapezoid. So the smallest angle here is to 60 as of now because we can get for the 60. So before we do that, we must to know first the angle C. So it is you must to subtract 70 by 180. So angle C is 110. So therefore angle V is the largest angle, then the smallest is 60. So we must first to get, it says there, the smallest and the largest. So measure of angle A is 60 and the measure of angle B is 120. Therefore, they are the smallest and the largest. So to get that, you must to make a simplest or get lowest term of 60 over 120. Next. A poster is a 1 meter long and 52 centimeter wide. Find the ratio of width to length. So the width there is first we need to know first because they have this different unit. So meter and centimeter. So we need to use the centimeter. As we all know that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. So it says on the problem, we need to know the ratio of the width to length. So the width is 52 over 100, so equals to 13 over 25. Teacher, why is it that the length will become to 100 centimeter? We need to change the 1 meter into 100 centimeter so that we need to have the same units, which is centimeter and centimeter. And then we need to simply ask that 52 over 100 into 13 over 25. A is to B and equals to C is to D. A and D was also called extreme. So what is extreme? The first and last term of the proportion. Next, B and C means the middle terms of the proportion. Solve the unknown x in the proportion 5 is to 4 and equals to x minus 2 is to x plus 3. So first is we need to know more about here. It can be written as 5 over 4 and x minus 2 x plus 3. We need to use the cross multiplication wherein 4 times x plus 2 and 5 times x plus 3. Okay? Next, after that, distribute. After you distribute like terms, and then the x will be negative 23. Next, Find the proportional between 2 square root of 3 and 8 square root of 3. So that I think that is mean. Okay, mean proportional because the we're asked to find the middle. Again, that is mean proportional. Okay, we'll write that here. Okay. So after that, you need to make a cross multiply. Okay, to get the x. After that, that is 16. So 2 times 8 is equals to 16. And then x square root of 3 times x square root of 3 is 3. So we just multiply it. 16 times 3, that is 48. Then equate. Okay, equate. So the answer is 16 times 3. So radical for it, 4 square root of 3. So that is how we know the ratio and proportion and its properties. For that, grade 9, hope you learned something more.